Hi, welcome to another Spark video. This week we introduced the ability to perform statistical simulations in component level design to account for process variations. One of the challenges in the design process is the manufacturing variability. Variations can occur in features like wafer height, width, and doping. When simulations and the results are based on nominal values, this will cause mismatch between expected and measured performance. With the new feature, Lumerical can analyze these variations using Monte Carlo analysis utility. You will find that a new tab, Processes, is added to the Monte Carlo utility. Here you will import the process file that includes the statistical information related to the pattern or stack and will then specify the parameter and results of interest. For example, we can study how the variations in silicon thickness and hard mask bias can impact the effective index of a Y-branches waveguide. Like always, the layer builder object is used to recreate the design by importing the GDS and process file. Afterwards, we go to the Monte Carlo analysis utility and select the process file. Here, we also select the type of statistical variation if there are several available, and also the parameters we want to do this analysis for. Then in the Results tab, we specify effective index as the monitored figure of merit. Once the analysis is run, we can see how effective index will change due to these variations. That's all for this week. Please be sure to submit your ideas and vote for your favorite ones on Lumerical Ideas Exchange so we can continue to enhance your experience with Lumerical products.